My name is Josh Rice. I'm the Environmental Division Manager of Russell Tree Experts based out of Westerville, Ohio. A lot of our work is in central and southeastern Ohio as far as the right-of-way clearing goes, but as far as Russell Tree Experts goes, we'll go anywhere in the lower 48. In 2021, we started diving into the right-of-way clearing application. Columbus equipment has been crucial in getting us going from there. So primarily we run CMI mulchers and stumpers. We love the CMIs because they are rigid, they're purpose-built, they're about the strongest on the market, and honestly the best value because you have very little downtime out of a CMI.
Yeah, the S175 stumper head, real fast, very operator friendly, got a nice function of the tilt down, comparable to some of the competition stumpers that I have ran in the past. This does seem like it does have a lot more power, and it's a lot smoother to operate and a little more comfortable. It's faster than the other brands I've ever ran. And just like a typical CMI, they do have a very good product, a very nice machine. Whether it's the mower or the stumper, everything about them for the years that I have ran them off and on seem to be a top of the line product.
We really only run Rotobeck grapple saws, the RPA rake styles. Those are extremely well built. They're extremely rigid. We haven't had any issues out of those. And we've got a Komatsu 445-5 feller buncher with a Quadco 2900 intermittent saw head. Primarily doing power line clearing, you have to have an intermittent head because working near the live conductors, you want to have full control over the trees as you cut them. And we have some Komatsu excavators and Takikuchi TL12 skid steers with FAE mulching heads. All of those machines have been huge in allowing us to grow the way that we have and as fast as we have because you don't have downtime. You can count on them and you can count on the service that you get from Columbus Equipment. You know, Columbus Equipment was our first stop and really the only stop. Jesse and Mark were crucial in getting us rolling and helping to be flexible with us and get us the tools that we need and work with us. You know, we count on them, and we counted on them a lot in the beginning, as we still do. We got our first CMI C300 in March of 22, and then the support thereafter has been awesome. Any questions that we have, everybody at Columbus Equipment is extremely knowledgeable about the products that they have. The whole product support team, Scott Parsons and now Jason Woods, they're all extremely helpful and get us the parts that we need right away. And you know, the thing about Columbus Equipment that's different than a lot of other dealerships is a lot of these guys you have a personal relationship with just because they're that kind of person. You know, they have a vested interest in ensuring your success as a customer, and you know, ultimately as a friend, it comes down to, just because they want to see you succeed. It's a really transparent process with Columbus Equipment, and they tell you the truth and then they try to do better than that. Columbus Equipment's going to be a crucial partner for us to have because of how helpful they are and how vested they are in our growth.